Ready? Okay. Pata. Let's make a chicken 555 but with tofu. Don't ask me why it's called 555. If you know why it's called 555, let me know in the comments. This is the third one in my series of bringing you these regional Indian appetizers that are usually meat heavy, and we're making vegan versions of those. We've done Koliwara and Majestic. They're incredibly delicious. So do try these and do let me know in the comments if you try them. It is super delicious, so let's make that. First, we're gonna press the tofu for at least 15 minutes and then set that aside. Then we're gonna make the batter by mixing some ginger garlic paste, oil, and a little bit of water. Add all of the dry ingredients and mix that in a small bowl. Then sprinkle that into the wet ingredients and mix. You can add water 1 tablespoon at a time to make this thick batter. You don't want the batter to be too thin, but you also don't want it to be a clump so that it's harder to toss the tofu in. As soon as you mix the batter will start thickening because of the cornstarch. So you want to immediately tear your tofu and add it to the bowl and then toss well to coat with all of that batter. Now you can cook this tofu by pan frying it or baking it. If you're baking it, use a parchment lined baking sheet and spread the tofu on the sheet. Put the baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes or so until it is nicely crisp. It's not going to darken in color because of the rice flour. It's just going to get nicely crisp. Or heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add some oil. And once the oil is hot, add the tofu in. Let it crisp on that edge for 2 minutes or so. Then flip the tofu and continue to crisp for another minute or so. And keep flipping for another 2 to 3 minutes until all of the sides of the tofu are nicely crisp. Let's make our delicious and super spicy sauce. Heat a skillet over medium heat, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add your fennel seeds and cook those for about half a minute or until they change color. Then add in your ginger, garlic, and green chili and reduce the heat to medium-low and cook the mixture until the garlic is starting to turn golden. You want to cook the garlic on a little lower heat so that it doesn't burn, but it gets this nice toasty golden color, and it also infuses the oil with all of that delicious garlicky flavor. Then add in the onion and the salt and increase the heat to medium again and cook the onion until it is golden. Depending on your pan, you might have to add a splash of water here and there to help the onion cook evenly. Once the onion is golden, add in all of your ground spices. Add in the chopped curry leaves and mint leaves. Add a splash of water to mix all of the spices into the onion and cook them for about 15 seconds or so. Add in some soy sauce. Add in your lime juice and reduce the heat to low. Then add in all of that crispy tofu. Toss well to coat and take it off heat. Now your tofu is ready. It's still crispy, it has all of that delicious sauce on it. It's a great appetizer plated with some chutneys like some mint cilantro chutney, some tamarind chutney or mango chutney, or even barbecue sauce. You can use it as a topping for a salad, you can make wraps. It's just a really delicious tofu and you must try it. Do let me know in the comments if you try these, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Indian vegan recipes, easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, and so much more. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.